Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the double tap to turn on or off the screen. So here I am going to make a double tap on the home screen. You can see the screen is turned off. If you again make a double tap, it is turned on. Right? So let me show you how it works. Just simply go to settings, scroll down. Here you can see the option advanced features. Tap on this one. Tap on motions and gestures. Here you can see two options, double tap to turn on screen, double tap to turn off screen. These two we need to enable this one. After this one, tap on the blank area of the home screen, double tap. You can see it is turned off, it is turned on. So simply in this way, if you want to disable this one, go to settings, just disable these two options. If you go to the home screen, make a double tap, you can see nothing will happen. So simply in this way we can enable or disable the double tap to turn on or off screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.